Welcome to Footprint 3PL Warehouse Management System version 3.6 Overview webinar. During this section, we will be covering the basic architecture of our solution, highlighting some of the features and functions, and providing you a sneak preview of the strength of our product. As a Microsoft Gold partner, our application was developed using a Microsoft SQL database on a .NET platform. Simply put, this provides you the most efficient data collection system with standard database functionality. Since all our reporting is done using SQL reporting services, you're able to create your own reports, create your own forms, and even modify existing reports and forms. These reports and forms can also be available on your customer's portal for their convenience. With full RF and RFID capability, full ePortal access, multi-ownership, and multi-warehousing, this is the right solution for a lot of the third-party logistics companies out there that need a highly configurable solution to meet their customers' demands. The solution is broken up into three major pieces: your desktop, which is here in blue, you have your mobile device, which is over here on the right-hand side, and then you have your portal. This is the customer access that you can provide. The desktop component, which allows you to do all of your front office work such as order entry, processing, and wave releasing, is also used by warehouse staff to monitor the progress of inbound orders and outbound shipments. The desktop also allows you to create multiple warehouses under the warehouse management. This warehouse management capability gives you the option to create different locations, different areas, different zones, and actually all the attributes of the locations themselves. The system is also able to handle lock-controlled items, serial-controlled items, catch weight or variable weight items, and even items with multiple units of measure, such as pallets, cases, and so forth. We can also handle the apparel industry. It's all based on different group settings that are set up in the system. So I'm just going to go in here. I'm going to select the apparel group, and you can see under the user-defined fields, we have all the different attributes that can be added at your leisure, such as style, color, and size. The application also has a 3PL management module built right here on the left-hand side. The application works based on billing strategies. So for every account that you have or different clients that you have, you can create different strategies for inbound handling, outbound handling, recurring storage, all by adding it here based on this wizard. So if I go to recurring storage as an example, I can select what type of recurring storage I want to do. So if I want to do it by license plate or by lot, I can do it based on different weights, different volumes, different actual quantity entities. It can be based on different units of measure as well. In addition to that, you can actually enter in the frequency of when you want to build for recurring storage. Do I want to build this daily, weekly, monthly, or even based on an anniversary cycle as well? And if I want to build this daily, I can build it on an everyday basis. Finally, you can enter in your rates, up to 4 decimal places, minimum charges can be added, and different ranges as well. What the system does, it automatically calculates these billings and adds that directly to your invoice. The next area I want to focus on is the appointment scheduling. You can schedule inbound and outbound appointments with a click of your mouse. This is almost like an Outlook calendar where I can just highlight the area that I want to schedule. I can right-click, schedule the appointment, and it creates an automatic appointment for us for the specific dock door and allows you to associate any items that you want, whether they're shipments, orders, or even containers. I can click on the container that I want to add to my appointment, and I can go ahead and close it out. And what the system does automatically for us, it creates an appointment directly on our calendar. The operations side of our application allows you to create manual order entry or provide these electronically, create outbound orders manually or electronically as well. We also have the capability of doing transloads and cross docks, production orders, inspections, work orders, load containers, so containers that are ocean bound coming in or out, and even warehouse transfers from one facility to the other. The mobile application is broken up into three major sections: your inbound, your outbound, and your warehousing. Under the inbound, you can do your receiving, your put away, blind receiving, and even barcode parsing is also allowed in that section. On the outbound side, we can do all our picking, our movements, our load processes, our serialization validation is all built into that section. And under the warehousing side, we can do all our movements, so whether it's full license plate moves, inventory moves, in addition to all the inquiries, such as license plate inquiries, location inquiries, material inquiries, even adjustments in physical inventory. The third and final aspect of our system is the customer ePortal. The portal is broken up into two major sections, the orders and reports. On the orders side, the customer can look at the status of all their inbound shipments and outbound shipment information, and also view all their inventory statuses, what's available, what's on hand, what's on hold. All that information is available to them with filtering capabilities built in directly to the product. In addition to that, they have the capability of creating their own reports, and for you as their 3PL provider to create their reports for them and add them directly to the portal. If you'd like more information about our product or would like to schedule a one-on-one demonstration with a Datex software engineer, please register at www.datexcorp.com. Thank you.